Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you don't end up crying over your wallet later. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the Entina Mini 3D printers Tina 2, aka Tina 2 Feet, and on the right, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, aka Adventurer 5M. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Tina 2 is priced at a friendly $169. It's like the budget-friendly fairy godmother of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M is a bit more, shall we say, bougie, at $479. That's right, folks, for the price of an Adventurer 5M, you can almost buy 3 Tina 2s. So if your wallet is crying out for mercy, Tina 2 might be the way to go. Next up, ease of use. Tina 2 is like the IKEA of 3D printers. Out of the box, completely assembled, and ready to go. No PhD in engineering required. You can start printing within minutes. Reviewers have praised its simplicity and ease of setup. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M boasts one-click automatic printing. It's like the Tesla of 3D printers, futuristic and effortless. Both are user-friendly, but if you want to feel like Tony Stark, Adventurer 5M might be your jam. Now let's talk print quality and precision. Tina 2, with its dual Z-axis rails, offers high-precision printing. It's like the sniper of 3D printers. Accurate and reliable. Reviewers have noted its impeccable print quality despite its compact size. Adventurer 5M, however, is in a league of its own with dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes. It's like the Swiss Army knife, versatile and reliable. If you're aiming for those intricate details and superior results, Adventurer 5M takes the crown. Speed is next. Tina 2 is speedy, no doubt, but Adventurer 5M is like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. With travel speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, it's not messing around. It's like comparing a sports car to a skateboard. Both will get you there, but one does it with a lot more flair and a lot less time. Reviewers have praised Adventurer 5M for its fast printing speeds. Let's move on to build volume. Tina 2 is compact with a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 millimeters, perfect for small projects, classrooms, or if you live in a shoebox-sized apartment. Reviewers love its compact design for small spaces. Adventurer 5M, on the other hand, offers a more generous space for your creations. It's like comparing a studio apartment to a mansion. If you want to go big or go home, Adventurer 5M is the way to go. And finally, after-sales support. Tina 2 offers a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support. It's like having a best friend who's always got your back. Reviewers have praised the excellent customer service and support. Adventurer 5M steps it up with a 1-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and a reliable 12-hour response service. It's like having a personal butler at your beck and call. Both are solid, but Adventurer 5M might give you that extra peace of mind. Overall, reviewers love Tina 2 for its affordability, ease of use, and precise printing, making it a great choice for beginners and small projects. On the other hand, Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, versatility, and superior build volume, making it ideal for more advanced users looking for high-quality prints and larger projects. So there you have it, folks. Tina 2 is the budget-friendly, easy-to-use, high-precision option that's perfect for beginners and small projects. Adventurer 5M is the high-speed, high-quality, and versatile choice for those who want to push the limits and create bigger, better things. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, there's a 3D printer out there for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tip. Comment below which 3D printer you think is the winner, and until next time, stay smart, shoppers. Product links are in the description.